Now we come to the core aspect of meditation. How do we say meditation can clear karma? How do we say meditation can clear old beliefs? Let us understand again the basics. We are energy beings, energy manifested as breath, breath manifested as a mind, mind manifested as a body, and through the body we have the superficial or the conscious mind which is interacting with the environment. At this stage of life, we are not able to differentiate who am I and where is the mind. I do not know the difference between me and the mind. I do not know the difference between me and the body. When I do not know the difference or the discrimination between me and the mind and me and the body, there is very less chances that I can differentiate myself from my thought and emotion and beliefs. This also means that my thoughts, emotions are guiding or directing my life throughout. That small sense of pretty ego comes and says, no, I am doing it. But it's nonsense because it doesn't work like that. Even if you can have 1 or 2% control over your life, over the way in which your body operates, your mind operates, and your emotion operates, life transforms phenomenally. So, when you talk about meditation, the first step is to basically discard anything that happens in the body, the mind, in form of thought and emotions, at least for that set period. Which means I decide for 15 minutes, I'll meditate for 15 minutes. Whatever thoughts come during the period, whatever pain that happens in the body, I negate and I'm just. So what does it actually mean? You sit here comfortably. There will be itch. The first few days there will be a lot of itches, a lot of pains happening. Because whatever you have suppressed or whatever you are not aware of is coming in with the body and making you dance. You need to sit. You're just moving like this, it means what? Energy is moving all over. Just sit. Now, if you don't move, whatever happens, you just allow it to be there. And if you don't move, whatever thoughts come, you don't be there, you go leave the thoughts. Then you can connect with the breath. Can you leave all the associations you have with your body, all the associations you have with your thoughts, and go fully into the breath? I would say that's the first step. It's very difficult. That's why we have this process. You need guts to move in from a known to an unknown zone. Because today the known is thoughts are holding you, your body is holding you. When you close your eyes and then you go and get scratch here, it means, though you may justify and say it is itching here so I am scratching, it is not so. Can I just sit still without even responding to it? Then the body will become silent. Actually, the mind and the body will become silent because the mind knows you are not going to pay attention to it. Then it will come and give you some beautiful thought, maybe some ugly thought, dirty thought, threatening thoughts. You just leave it, go back. This needs a lot of preparation. Today, in other words, you are using the body as a vehicle to stay. The body is a container to stay. Or you are using your thoughts, emotions and opinions as a container to stay. Can you migrate fully into the breath? That's, I would say, the first step of meditation. When you migrate fully into the breath, then you have many layers after that. Before even we learn to still our body, if you start imagining light, golden light or whatever, let me tell you, you are again going to confuse the mind. It's not going to work like that. Again, they are kindergarten stuff. When you talk about Raja Yoga or yoga based on the Patanjali's Yoga Sutra or Tirumular Yoga, there's no imagination. The first step is to still the body. Still the body, still the mind, still your breath. When all these things get still, you enter into a different phase. This is the whole practice. So meditation starts with stilling the body, and we have a very, very detailed, guided process for that. And in this course, we will be guiding you through that.